He was one of the most recognizable faces on American television. Millions watched him every night. Now, his name is trending for very different reasons. So, why did Don Lemon fall? For years, Don Lemon was a major figure at CNN. He wasn't just reading the news, he was shaping how people understood it. In a world flooded with information, he became a trusted voice for millions. But in modern media, being trusted isn't enough. You also have to be noticed. Over time, the line between reporting and opinion became blurry. Comments turned into headlines, and headlines turned into controversies. Every sentence was clipped, every moment was shared, and every mistake traveled faster than the truth. The story stopped being about events and started being about the person. What mattered was no longer what happened, but who said it. And once that shift happened, the damage was inevitable. Modern media doesn't just sell information, it sells personalities. Networks don't promote journalists anymore. They promote characters. And characters must always be louder, stronger, and more emotional. But when the messenger becomes the message, the spotlight becomes dangerous. Because the audience stops listening for facts and starts watching for reactions. And once performance replaces truth, credibility slowly disappears. In the internet age, controversy spreads faster than context. When a public figure says something wrong or something misunderstood, it doesn't disappear, it multiplies. And once the internet decides someone is the story, there is no reset button. In the internet age, controversy spreads faster than context. When a public figure says something wrong or something misunderstood, it doesn't disappear, it multiplies. And once the internet decides someone is the story, there is no reset button. Because attention is temporary, but the demand for drama is constant. And as long as outrage gets clicks, someone will always be next. When journalists become brands, trust becomes fragile. People stop asking, "Is this true?" and start asking, "Whose side are they on?" And once trust breaks, the fall is fast and public. Because trust is slow to build, but easy to lose. One headline can undo years of credibility. One moment can redefine a career. And in a media world driven by speed, there is no time for repair, only time for replacement. So why did Don Lemon lose his power? Not because of one comment, not because of one mistake, but because modern media rewards extreme voices until it no longer needs them. It lifts people up and then watches them fall, because the system doesn't protect people. It protects attention. And when attention moves on, so does loyalty. And the real question isn't why Don Lemon fell. It's who will be next. If you're trying to understand how American life really works, this channel is for you.